What's up everyone? Today we're going to be installing some new brake pads and rotors on my 350Z. Let's get some tires off. Okay, no rigs. She's going to be joining us today. Let's take this 14mm nut off. Let's take this bottom one nut. Definitely glazed. Definitely overheated. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is go to a flat area, the ground, a table, whatever. Get some 80 grit sandpaper. All you're going to do is just go in circles until all of that shiny stuff is off. And this will help get any burrs out as well. And yeah, that's what it should look like. A nice deglazed pad. Alright, we got our caliper nice and out of the way. Now we can reach these 22mm bolts. Nice. Let's take this rotor off. Sometimes they'll have a set screw to pop them off. It's usually just a Phillips. And then if it's a little hard to take them off, you can just usually tap a hammer on the back and it should come off. And hopefully you're replacing these so it doesn't matter how hard you hit them. Let's go ahead and clean this surface off from all the surface rust. Put our new rotor on. All you're going to need for your cleaning is a stainless steel brush or some steel wool and definitely some brake cleaner and a rag. Let's go ahead and give that a little spray. Grab our brush. And you can already see it starting to come off. A good way to see which way your rotor is supposed to go, if they're not already directional, is sticking a screwdriver in the top and seeing which way they go towards. Obviously, this is going right in the middle. If it's like that, it's in the middle, then this is the correct side. If it's like this, and these are pointing towards this direction, it should be on the opposite side. Let's give this a little pre-spray before we start installing our caliper. You want to do both sides. Let's go ahead and put this caliper bracket back on. Now I'm going to put a small amount of grease on the back of this. This is great for loud brakes like mine. Plop that in there. And this guy, come on, there we go. Your brake pads are in. Now let's go ahead and throw this tire back on. For our rear caliper, we're just gonna loosen these bolts up and put our caliper to the side. Now we're gonna remove our pads. Look at how glazed those guys are. Good thing we have sandpaper. Now let's go ahead and crack these 22mm bolts back here. They're not 22mm. After releasing the parking brake, I got the rotor off. Now it's time to clean this surface. So unfortunately, my camera died, so we're on the other side. Now that we have officially deglazed our brake pads for the second time, we are gonna tighten these 19mm caliper bracket bolts back up. All right, now our caliper bracket bolts are tight. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some brake pad grease. Okay, so we're gonna grab our handy dandy piston, place our brake pad over the top of it. And this guy is only about 10 bucks, probably less from Home Depot. All you do is slide this on up, twist it in. And the reason why we put the brake pad is so it evenly distributes the weight across and pushes the piston in evenly. Go ahead and take that off and go ahead and spray the piston a little bit. Make sure it's okay and clean. And put this guy back on. I'm gonna do this bottom one first. Now we're gonna tighten our pins back down. And now you have officially done almost everything. Now we just gotta put the wheel back on. We'll be ready to roll. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. If you enjoyed, please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys on the next video. If you want, check out some of my track or toge content. Thanks for watching.